Today we talk about how can you enable task summary notifications on your Skull Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that to enable this sign. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come here to task summary here. Then you click here in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you this color here. That's mean task summary enabled with us now. That's all you have. So that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.